Hi there, boys and girls. For your writing lesson today, you are going to write if you are one of one, two, one of three, or more than three. You know, Mrs. McMeekin, she told me today one is one of five. Me, I am one of three, which you here. Sibling is a brother or a sister. And it's okay if you have a half sister or a half brother. You can count them as your sibling. All right, so I am one of three. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a piece of paper and draw a picture. So I drew my brother Kyle. This is me, I'm the middle child, and this is my sister Jen. Now Jen is the oldest, Kyle is the youngest, and I am in the middle. And then after I drew my characters, I made a nice setting for my characters too. So the characters are me, siblings. Now let's see what I did for my writing. I'm going to pull my screen down. Okay, so when you write, you want to do what good writers do, and good writers always have a strong opening. So today our topic is our siblings. So I thought it would be cute just to make my opening just like the title of the book we read today. So I am one of three. Now, if you have two siblings like me, that means you're one of three as well. But if it's just you, you're one of one if you're an only child. And you know, it's okay to be an only child. I have a daughter, Hannah, and she is one of one. Now, when she was growing up, she always wished that she had a brother or a sister, but it was just her, one of one. So if she was writing this, she would probably write about how she wished she had a brother or a sister. Let's see what I did for my middle. So I am one of three. And then I remembered my ending mark. You also want to make sure you start with your capital letter. Okay, let's see what I did for my details in the middle. I told you all about my siblings. Look at all the details. I think this is my closing. Yes. Look at all the details I put in the middle of my writing. So I told you about my siblings. So I'm going to read this to you. Jen is my big sister, and Kyle is my little brother. I put a period. That was the end of my sentence. I am in the middle. I wrote another sentence, so there's my ending mark. We all love and help each other. Now, you know what I notice? I see lots of popcorn words popping up. The word all and the. Boy, they're everywhere. And so when you have your popcorn words, make sure you're spelling them the way you've been taught. And then for words that are not popcorn words, you know what to do. You stretch your word out. So, for example, the word big, I stretched it out. B-ig. Big. And I wrote the sounds I heard. Sister. I just stretched it out. S-ist-er. And then I wrote the sounds I heard. All right, so now I'm going to read my closing to you. I am happy to be one of three. And look, I used an exclamation point for my closing. I'm going to read my whole writing piece to you, and then it's your turn. You get to write about your siblings if you have them, and then do a nice writing piece just like Miss Baker. Make sure you have an opening, details in your middle, and then a nice closing. I am one of three. Jen is my big sister, and Kyle is my little brother. I am in the middle. We all love and help each other. I am happy to be one of three. Boys and girls, I cannot wait to read your writing and to see your pictures that you draw for me. You can submit your assignment when you're done because I love to see what you create. Have fun writing, boys and girls. Bye-bye.